Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Welcome to IWHAT Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to be making spaghetti jollof, and this is what we are going to be using. I've got in here 1.8 kg of chicken fillets. I've got spaghetti. I'm using 1.2 kg. This one is 1.5 kg of spaghetti. 1 kg of mixed veg, 1 kg of passata tomato, and I've got here homemade tomato puree. I made this by myself. So, and I'm going to be using some chili flake. So let's begin. Bismillah. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using, the main ingredients. First thing to do before start handling raw meat is to put on my glove. I bought this glove from Amazon and it's $4.99. Mashallah, it's extra large. It's so nice. I like the feeling of it, and it's so roomy, especially for us who have bigger hands. This is the first time I'm using it. I hope it lasts longer, but for the fact that it's roomy, it's not that tight on my hand. I like that part. What's the name of the glove? It's powder free. It's Para. Para. It's so nice. Next is for me to rinse the chicken. I'll be using salt and lemon to clean that. I'm adding the lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. I'll mix well and set aside for like 5 minutes before rinsing it out. After handling the chicken, I remove that glove and put another one before moving on with the cooking. I've had enough oil to cover the pot, like 200 ml. And next I'm going to be adding a little bit of butter, like 50 grams. I've got 3 small size of onion there that will be dicing. I think the glove is oversized. I need to rinse the chicken now. The lemon is so sweet that it gives the chicken like bun, pizza bun. So the water as we did now, it's time to dive in. Before diving the chicken, I'm going to be adding the onion to the oil. I'm glad that I got this. At least it gives me a larger room to operate when I'm handling raw meat. I'm really happy that I got this. Add the steak. Add 1 teaspoon tropical aroma. 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 tablespoon of minced herb, and 3 tablespoons of chili flakes is being added. The chicken has been cooking for more than 5 minutes now, so I'm taking it out of the pot. I'm adding 6 chili. That's 200 ml. I've had the spaghetti, and I'm going to be adding the homemade tomato puree. That's like 200 grams. Add a little bit of oil to the spaghetti and salt. Then cover and let it boil. This has been frying enough. I'm cooking for 10 minutes now, so I'm going to be adding the pepper to this. Spaghetti is ready. I need to drain it now. I have to off the heat. And this one is just splashing everywhere. Anyway, I have to cover it. Cover it before. I just remembered that I haven't had ginger, so I'll add the ginger. I'm not going to be using all the chicken. I'll leave some for whoever wants to use it for sandwich. So I'll leave this amount, like 500 grams. I'll mix well, then cover it again to keep boiling. While I drain the spaghetti. I need to add the spaghetti. It's not soft enough, so that's the right time to add it. The hard part is mixing this together. My hand is aching me badly. Should have called one of the kids to come and do the mixing. By the time they come downstairs, it will be too late. Anyway, next is to add in the mixed veg. I hope they will like this. I finished mixing now, so I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. Alhamdulillah, spaghetti jollof is ready. We've never had this before because I've never made it before. This is my first time making this for you guys. We need to do something. Just try it. Okay, bismillah. Don't dip that spoon back because you put it in your mouth already. How was it?
It's alright.
I decided to boil egg to add to this because there is not much chicken. Hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video. If you do, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love, IWHAT, and don't forget to keep smiling.